Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. This is Addison from Be Shifted. Today we're going to be working on one of the things that maybe you notice, maybe you don't, when you get into a regular vehicle or a classic car. Faded carpet. I have in my 72 Chevelle here some pretty faded carpet. It's supposed to be black and it is kind of tan a little bit. So today I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. Again, you guys don't, I'm sure there's thousands of ways to do it. There's a lot of different methods, techniques, types of dyes, all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to go with what I could get my hands on, and let's see how it turns out. Thanks for joining. All right, so just to give you a visual of what I'm working with here. Here's that carpet. Pretty sure it was originally black, maybe. I don't know. I'm using what I have. So what I have is some dye that you can purchase pretty much anywhere. And I've looked up all the procedures, and we're just gonna wing it a little bit. This faded carpet is really bugging me. So first thing I have to do is take these seats out so we can get a good look at it. Then I will vacuum and clean the carpet with a quick carpet cleaner, or rather a quick carpet clean. Say that 10 times fast. After that, we will get to the dye mixing and hopefully get this carpet black again. I mean, I really think it'll make it stand out, or actually not stand out. It's supposed to blend in. We got the black dash, we got the black seats, we got the black door cards, black headliner, which is actually in still pretty good shape. Anyway, here we go. Here we have a 1/2 inch, 4 1/2 inch bolts. 2 are in the front. Two, sorry, are under there's a little flap back here that we'll have to get under. Anyway, I'm gonna get these out quick. We'll see what the carpet looks like. Way! It's not a 10 millimeter. It's the 9/16. I've been looking for this. All right, I'm gonna pop out this seat that's right next to you, and then we will get to work on vacuuming. One solution for remembering, or at least trying to remember, where your hardware goes, you just set it on the seat. Especially with these older cars, you know, you have shims. The feet aren't necessarily the same height because of the way that the cab is built. So people use shims and stuff like that. And if you don't want to mess that up or have to do guessing later, I just put the bolts back, you know, where they were originally. Just a quick little tip. Oh man, we got tiger stripes in here. Woo-wee. Got some work to do. It's all vacuumed now. I went through with a brush and agitated, got as much dirt out of the fibers as I could. And now we're going to get ready for the carpet cleaning with the extractor. So hang tight. We'll be there in a second. All right. She is cleaned. Took the extractor, hot water, and now we're back to tiger stripes, but they're clean tiger stripes, at least rinsed. I also got that driver's side seatbelt. Some brown stuff was coming out of that. Pretty glad to touch that. All right, I'll see you back when we're mixing up the formula for the dye. All right, so I have my spray bottle here. Purchased it from Target. Super easy. And then my dye is also from Target. So I'm not a mathematics person, nor am I a chemist. Should probably be wearing gloves. Come out. Anyway, I'm gonna pour, and I don't know how much amount of black into here. We'll fill it up to the bubble. It's honestly probably too much, but I have no idea. So I'm gonna go get some hot water. It recommends that you get at least 140-degree water, because I believe the dye is acid-based. And that's part of the reason why I washed the carpet just with water. Actually, I just rinsed it, right? Didn't use wash. Didn't use soap, rather. Because I didn't want to throw off the alkalinity in the carpet, and apparently soap will make that happen. So yeah, I just went with the water wash, water rinse. And hopefully this comes out. It's supposed to be damp. It helps with adhesion of the dye. So I'm gonna go get my water, and I'll be right back. All right, I got my brush here, and that's just after I spray, it's gonna even out the distribution of the dye. Holy cow. This came out so well. There's a lot of light going on right now, but I can tell you in person, you can barely tell. Like you can obviously see a little bit lighter there. Um, obviously like where the faded stuff was. But like in real life, when I'm looking, outside of this camera, it looks like black carpet. It looks completely black all the way across. And just wow. Major improvement over what it looked before. That's going to be really awesome. So I'm going to let it dry overnight, and I'll hit you guys back tomorrow. Here it is. Tell me what you think. No more tiger stripes. Nice and black. Not perfect, but I wasn't going for perfect. Just going for better. Super happy with that. Sorry about the shaky camera. Super happy with the way this came out. Couldn't be happier, honestly. It saved me a bunch of money and time of having to buy new carpets and go through that whole procedure. Eventually I will get new carpets for this. It's going to be way down the road. But I will get new carpets and do some soundproofing. So be sure to stay tuned for that. It'll be it'll be a while. I have a lot of other things to do before that. Hey, so if you like today's video, please make sure you hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification or the bell icon. That'll give you notifications of any new videos coming out. Also be sure to like the Facebook page and the Instagram account. I have content coming out every week. I'm trying to make that commitment to you all that I'll do something, even if it's just a short video of what I'm doing every week. So I would appreciate any comments on how you might have done this carpet, how you've done it in the past, and then a little bit more about this Chevelle. I have a lot of stuff I can do with it, planning to do with it. I'd like to replace the entire front end. It's all original, so the ball joints still have rivets in them. The front cross member is caked in oil and grease and everything from 1972. And it's actually, the frame is not super straight, so I'm actually planning on doing a frame swap. So actually, if you have any 70s, early 70s, late 60s, early 70s A-body frame vehicles, let me know. I might be interested. Hit me up in the personal messages, or the DMs, I think is what they call them. But yeah, thanks for your time. Really appreciate it, and I hope you were shifted today.